I'm cooking zarda. Just I'm boiling rice, just a basmati rice. And why they call zarda? Because of egg yellow color. I'm going to add it here. So this will be sweet. So, and these are the ingredients. Some sugar. Later I'm going to put after I add oil. Almond. This is aloo bukhara with prune and hari Ilaachi is a cardamom, whole cardamom. Here's the orange, and this one is a cranberry, and a little bit black raisin. I'm going to add it now. That I cut it last week from orange and I left in the freezer. So now it will cook in the hot water. So then the final I will add little bit saffron. This is a this saffron came from this imported, still I didn't open this one. I'm going to open now. That will be last. So this will go after when I'm going to drain this one. Then I'm going to add little oil, sugar and all other ingredient. That should be ready after that. I'm going to leave it like a 20 minutes steam.